Great day, everyone! This is Edelit Langkay from SMDC here in YouTube. It's Realty Guide PH. For today's video, nandito naman kami sa Lip Residences, one of the project of SMDC. Kasama ko yung isa sa aking top-selling agent na si
Ay Maverick Manguera.
at itutur namin kayo dito sa Lip Residences. Tara! Ngayon, papunta tayo ng SM Muntinlupa from Lip Residences Condominium. Tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-accessible. Anong oras na ngayon?
12:17.
12:17. So ngayon guys, 12:17. May katabi din siyang ultra mega supermarket. Katabi lang mismo ng Lip Residences. Tayo ngayon sa SM Muntinlupa. Anong oras na ngayon, Arnel?
12:19.
Oh, 12:19 siya guys. As of 12:19 nandito na tayo. Ilang minutes lang tayo nandito na.
Wala pang 5 minutes.
Wala pang 5 minutes guys. Nandito na tayo. As you can see, we have Olympic size swimming pool. 4 feet lang siya. Ang swimming pool dito sa Lip Residences. Pwede nyo na lang, nag-swimming kayo. At ang maganda sa Lip Residences, we have meron kaming mga garden. Yan. Yung mga unit dito, nasa amenity area with balcony siya. Yung sa other floor, wala siyang balcony. Pero ang maganda din dito sa Lip, mamaya ipapakita ko sa iyo yung unit. Napaka-convenient ang area na to, no? Nakita natin kanina, may mga establishment and mall na malapit.
Yes ma'am, actually napakalapit lang dito ng SM Muntinlupa. And then yung may grocery dyan ma'am,
Katabi lang.
katabi lang nitong mismong project natin.
Function room siya. So ito, very elegant. Overlooking sa ating swimming pool.
Napakaluwag niya.
Si SMDC kasi, hindi natin tinitipid ng amenity. As you can see, yung mga project ni SM, it's like hotel concept na may enjoy talaga ng mga family at saka mga nag-i-staycation and for rentals.
Sa resort style na rin yung mga amenities natin.
Yes, that's right. So tara, i-tour natin sila dito. Oo, meron din tayong swimming pool sa kabilang side and meron din tayong kids swimming pool. Under renovation pa siya kasi kakaumpisa pa lang ng turnover dito sa Lip Residences. Very fresh pa lang. So marami pa tayong unit guys na pwedeng i-offer sa inyo. And we have flexible payment term. Itong tower na to is Tower A. And we have Tower D, Tower B, and C dun sa kabilang side na under construction pa. Ito yung sample ng ating
Lobby.
lobby dito sa Tower A. Tara, silipin natin. Ang maganda rin sa SMBC, at each tower, meron tayong receptionist, and meron tayo dito entrance. Meron tayong receptionist. So, pag may mga bisita kayo, ayan, dito muna sila i-entry. Then, may intercom din yung unit. So, itatawag kung yung bisita na yon is kilala nyo. And meron tayong common parking
Common
for the
parking.
visitor. Yan. Meron din tayong separate parking for unit owner. Kung bibili ka ng unit, pwede ka rin mag-purchase ng parking. So, yun. Tara, ikutin natin kung live residence. Ang amenity natin dito, ma'am.
For our amenities, ma'am, meron tayo ditong adult pool, kiddie pool for our kids. Then, meron tayong residential lobbies, outdoor lounge, tsaka function room. Tapos, may children's play area na rin tayo. Then, fitness station sa mga mahihilig sa magpa-fit, maganda ng katawan, or maging healthy, health conscious. Then, meron tayong jogging trails, landscape walkaways, and commercial areas.
At ngayon naman, itutur namin kayo sa labas ng Live Residences. Napansin namin dito maraming commercial for your basic needs. Yan yung sinasabi namin kanina, yung under construction pa siya, yung other building.
Ayan, literal na lift siya. Kung makikita nyo, yan, ang dami nating puno, halaman.
Ang under construction natin is Building B and Building C. Yan.
Commercial spaces natin dito. So, ayun, napaka-convenient sa atin. Meron tayo ditong laundry.
Saka napansin mo, Mab, along the highway lang, nandiyan na yung sakayan ng bus
Yes.
going to Metro Manila.
Napaka-accessible nitong project na to.
May laundry area din dito.
Ayan.
Kung ikaw yung busy person na wala ka ng oras maglaba, meron na tayong laundry area.
Area.
Ayan.
Ayan, meron tayong water station
Water
dito.
station, ayan yung number niya. So, tatawagan nyo lang, pupunta na sa unit nyo. Napaka-convenient.
Yun,
At
may
meron
dental.
tayong dental clinic.
Clinic.
Pag sumakit yung ngipin mo, ayan, or cleaning, meron tayo dyan. And meron
Dunkin'
tayong
Donut.
Dunkin' Donut. Pag nagugutom ka, gusto mo magmerienda. Saka napansin mo dito, Mab, ang hangin mo,
Oo po,
fresh
napaka-press.
air.
Na-press ko dito. And meron na rin tayong ATM machine.
Diba?
Then meron pa tayo dito mag-open pa na commercial spaces.
Mahilig ka sa milk tea dito. Yan. Meron dito. Milk tea. Naririnig kaya? May open house kasi ngayon, kaya medyo maingay. At meron tayong soon to open na Alphamart.
And opening soon. Alphamart.
Leaf Residences can be found in Susana Heights, Muntinlupa. Its unique design reminiscent of a tropical rainforest offers the first taste of condominium living surrounded by the greenery heavily sought after in the south. Take a look with our sample actual deliverable unit. Units offer we have 3-bedroom unit with balcony, 3-bedroom unit, 2-bedroom unit with balcony, 2-bedroom and unit, 2-bedroom unit, 1-bedroom unit, and studio unit. We offer flexible payment terms. Few units left. For non-vatable units, you can save 12% from the total amount. We also have a rent-to-own promo available. If you're interested, inquire now. Nearby establishments: Museo Nang Muntinlupa City, Muntinlupa Chiao City, Ultra Mega Supermarket, Crystal Mart, SM Center Muntinlupa. Leaf Residences is located near the South Luzon Expressway SLEX. It is situated in Muntinlupa City, making it easily accessible to SLEX, which connects to various key areas in Metro Manila and the provinces in the southern part of Luzon. The proximity to SLEX provides convenience for residents in terms of transportation and travel time to major locations like Makati, Alabang, and Laguna. Several major infrastructure projects are set to benefit the area around Susana Heights in Muntinlupa. A key development is the Skyway Extension Project, which will extend from Susana Heights along the South Luzon Expressway SLEX to Sucat. This project aims to decongest the area and provide direct access to the Skyway, bypassing Alabang, and improving travel times for motorists coming from southern provinces like Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas. Once completed, the project will expand the road capacity with additional lanes and cut travel time significantly between southern and northern Metro Manila. Additionally, SM is expanding its footprint in Susana Heights with plans to develop a large tract of land, which could serve further commercial and residential developments in the area Manila Insight. These projects will not only enhance connectivity, but also boost economic activities in the region. In addition, nearby hospitals are Asian Hospital and Medical Center, a renowned tertiary hospital located in Philinvest City, Alabang. Hospital Nang Muntinlupa, it's a public hospital in Muntinlupa City, Muntinlupa Doctors Hospital, also located in Muntinlupa, offering comprehensive healthcare services. And for the nearby school are De La Salle Santiago Zobel School, a private school offering basic education in Ayala, Alabang, PREF Southridge School, an all-boys school offering primary and secondary education. Located in Muntinlupa, San Beda College, Alabang, a prestigious Catholic school offering both basic education and higher education programs. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to contact us in our Viber of WhatsApp that you've seen in my screen. I hope you like my vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate investing, more good location, and best deal for you guys. See you from my next vlog.